Hi folks. Now, if you have luxury vinyl tile made by Amtico or Karndean or one of the other quality manufacturers, you may have the same problem that this customer has, where no matter what they try to clean the floor with, they're on their hands and knees scrubbing it, and that it never ever comes up right. They can't get into all these grooves on this textured surface. Can you see all this dirt that's kind of settled in the grooves there? Okay. Unfortunately, the maintenance packs that you get with Amtico and Karndean, they are limited. They are just for daily maintenance. But if you don't maintain your floors on a daily basis, you will have this problem where dirt and grease will actually settle onto the surface, making it very difficult to remove. Now, we use specialist cleaning products, and this particular machine here, this is Eccentric machine, it has an oscillating pad on the bottom that vibrates and gently massages the cleaning product into the floor and lifts all that dirt. And as you can see here, there's a line that runs along there, and you can see the difference between how the floor looks after it's been cleaned and how it looks before. So that's about it really. We're going to clean the rest of this floor, dry it, and then we're going to apply a quality sealant to the floor to help keep the floor cleaner for longer. The sealant will also protect the floor against light abrasion, and it will also help to make cleaning easier. Think of a sealant on the surface of a floor a bit like a wax on a car, okay? When a car has wax on the surface of the paint, it makes things like dirt and road grime harder to stick to it, okay? So we'll come back to this in a bit once we have applied several layers of Secura Hard Seal, and we'll see how it looks then. Right, that's the floor cleaned and sealed, and we're just going to have a very quick look at how it looks now. I think you'll agree that looks a lot better than what it did before. I'm going to move over here so we can get into the light. Let's move down. So that's looking really nice. It's a satin finish, so it doesn't leave a shiny floor. We don't like shiny floors. We think they look rubbish. And so that's done, and I'm sure the customer will be very happy with that. In some cases, if you were cleaning this type of floor, now it's been sealed, it only requires just a damp microfiber mop on the surface. Sometimes you don't even need to use any cleaning chemicals whatsoever. So there you have it, another one done. Thanks for watching, and if you would like a free estimate, then please get in contact, www.ProSteamUK.com. Thanks for watching.